It took them about 30 minutes, and then, whoops.
I don't understand. How did they put me to sleep? I asked him directly, is this air? He said, yeah, it's just normal air.
Air?
Was it air?
Air?
Yeah.
Was it air? Yeah.
He said it's just air. So how did I fall asleep?
They gave you something that put you to sleep.
Was it in my IV?
In your IV.
That IV hurt.
Oh, it did?
Yeah. You know I don't like needles. That's why I cried when I got my blood pressure when I went to the gynecologist.
You cried when you got your blood pressure checked?
And the gynecologist, when they took my blood,
Uh-huh.
you don't remember? I cried. How do you not remember? I wouldn't let them take my blood out. And I had to squeeze an apple.
You had to what, an apple?
I had to
Squeeze
squeeze
it?
an apple. What? Because I was scared. But I let her stick my IV in my arm.
Uh-huh.
And I said, ow.
You said, ow.
I did. They woke me up too fast. Why wouldn't they let me sit for a while?
Well, you're gonna go home and sleep for a while. For a long while.
But usually they sit there
They sit there.
until they wake up.
Uh-huh. They did.
She put a whole rag on my lips
Okay.
and my tongue. That's it.
Huh?
Do I have that thing?
Do you have that thing?
That thing.
Fat cheeks? A little bit, yeah. They're a little fat.
A chipmunk?
Not quite a chipmunk yet.
Not yet?
No.
My face isn't blue. See, if people told me my mouth is too small, if I have a blue mouth.
Well, if we don't keep ice on it, your cheeks will get bigger and your face will turn blue. So we're going to go home and put ice on.
I'm touching my chin, Anna.
Yep. You're touching your skin, your chin. You can't tell it?
Is that okay?
Uh-huh.
Where's Molly?
Where's Molly? I guess she's at her house. She's not coming yet.
And Abby